Servicing your vehicle at a local mechanic shop doesn't necessarily save you money. Whether you need tire rotation, to order new parts, a new paint job, or touch-up, at Patriot Subaru we provide complete service for your Subaru vehicle, from regularly scheduled maintenance to transmission repairs. Here at Patriot Subaru's state-of-the-art green facility, you can relax in our customer reception area with free coffee, Wi-Fi, computers, and a TV, while our highly trained Subaru Master Technicians utilize our 16 service bays to make sure your vehicle is serviced promptly and correctly. Come in today or visit us at www.patriotsubaru.com. While you're there, schedule service appointments online and see how Patriot Subaru's green policy extends to every part of our business. Talk to us about the things we do to be a good environmental citizen. Get information about our customer drive-in area, where you're always protected from the weather. And at a certified dealer, you get reliable service performed by highly trained technicians you can trust. Call, click, or come in for more information. Patriot Subaru is located at 769 Portland Road in Saco, Maine.